In May of 2020, Mayor Bill de Blasio was here at Jacoby Medical Center to applaud healthcare workers for their work in the fight against COVID-19. On Sunday night, he spoke to the rest of the city on what is officially going to be the COVID Day of Remembrance. In March 2020, Mayor de Blasio confirmed that the first reported COVID-19 death in New York City was an 82-year-old woman. She had been hospitalized in Brooklyn and died on March 14th. That woman is now just one of over 30,000 New York City residents who have died from the virus, according to the city. During the ceremony, the mayor expressed sympathy for the lives lost and sent an optimistic message for the future as COVID cases and deaths in the city continue to decline.
New Yorkers are always there for each other, and tonight, so many people have gathered to show their love, to show their support for the family members left behind.
Throughout the ceremony, images of those lost to the pandemic were projected onto the Brooklyn Bridge, and the ceremony also included musical performances and remarks from religious leaders. Residents of the Bronx, where COVID numbers were once the highest across the 5 boroughs, say a memorial is a great way to remember those no longer with us.
I work in a hospital, been working here for about a year, and I've seen a lot of people pass away during COVID. Having a memorial will be fantastic.
Families are being encouraged to submit a photo or the name of a loved one lost to COVID-19 in a memorial run by the city. In the Pelham Parkway section of the Bronx, Noelle Lilly, News 12.
And as our world looks to another new normal, News 12's Hannah Klieger shows us how Brooklynites came together to find a way to memorialize those we lost with a unique installation.
A solemn moment, a painful memory.
An almost quiet explosion of patients with symptoms of this pandemic's virus. Almost day to night, we were in the eye of a hurricane.
It was a time when our city literally froze. We literally stopped. Everything stopped and we stood still.
And Sunday, Brooklyn Borough President Eric Adams, in partnership with BAM, presented a temporary installation at Borough Hall to mark 1 year since that first death in our city. It looks like a bulletin from an airport terminal or a train station, showing all those who departed during this troubling time, but also all those who arrived and made this year just a little bit brighter.
After 9,000 Brooklynites have transitioned from the physical to the spiritual, we are saying that the absence of their body is not the absence of our memories.
One man lost several friends and family members, including his father.
Hey, listen, you gotta fight this. I want you to know you're gonna be a grandfather. He died 3 hours later.
But gained a newborn son.
It's been tough. But come this Saturday, I will have a 4-month-old in the house. The time has gone by so quickly.
A bittersweet reminder of the circle of life. This installation is interactive. You can participate too to memorialize or celebrate your loved one. You just have to go to BAM's website. The installation will be here in downtown Brooklyn, right by Borough Hall, until April 11th. Hannah Klieger, News 12.